Like legit, they could have died.
Wow, I'm so excited.
Bye bag.
She's so excited because I get to sit next to you and Georgio the whole time.
I'ma be the baddest at you. I'ma be the baddest at you. I'ma be the baddest at you.
This is how I vlog. I don't get in my stuff.
Oh,
That's why people watch it.
I'ma be the
Why are you filming me? Why not? Can't find the accommodation now. It's a good start.
So excited to sleep on the streets.
We think we found the right place. Let's pick up our skis, eh?
I'ma be the baddest at you. I'ma be the baddest at you. I'ma be the baddest that you ever done. So I'ma be the baddest at you.
Oh, no, you haven't.
I'ma be the baddest that you ever done. So
My finger hurts. Not been the best day. I think these are too big.
I only fell over twice.
I got new boots. My thumb still hurts. Hopefully that will eventually go away.
I'ma be the baddest that you ever done. So
The other three are too lazy, eh? So me and Zack are gonna go to a new slope today. Hopefully I don't destroy my thumb this time.
Can't believe you caught me on the phone with him. I guess it's just the way it was supposed.
What's visibility like, eh?
Not the best, is it really?
If someone has wiped out in front of me, I am running them over.
I must admit there was something.
Did your life flash before your eyes there? Bro, this is nuts. Mate, where have they gone? Yeah, that was quite bad. Like we could not see you.
Too long. Why did you think would happen when you're cold to me? Turning back to back, the nights were so.
That's the view over there. I don't know if this camera's even picking up. Nice, Zack. That is a cool photo, man. I see the mountains, eh? Thumb update. Looking kind of grim. It's huge, yeah. It's really swollen. At least it's sunny today.
It's when they're crawling home begging. I don't think so. I must admit there was something in the way you looked at me.
Right, me, Zack and Sonny, this is our final message before we go down the blue for the first time. Last time I was on a blue, I destroyed my finger. Everyone wish me luck.
Good luck.
Well, that was it. We were trying. Then the feeling is going on me. You were a man, so you know that. Something you were never mine.
What happened to me? That is the end of my one. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye everyone. Definitely gonna get sunburned. Nah, I can't ski today. Got blisters. It's like agonising pain. Cheeky update, got new socks. It's unbearably hot. My t-shirt is soaked. I'm sweating, I need a drink.
And I will stay comfortable silent.
Not today. Fortunately, I think I'm going to have to call it quits today. I've gone down 3 times and my blisters were not getting any better. So I'm hoping that if I rest a little bit, my legs will get a bit better for tomorrow. We'll just have to see what happens.
And I will stay in a comfortable silence. I won't talk about myself in violence. Ever since you, ever since you, ever since you.
Still on? Yeah, still on.
Like legit, they could have died.
You landed literally on him about like
I
a
reckon
centimetre.
my board was probably about that far away.
Honestly. I wish I was that good, eh? That's the man Zack almost killed. Final ski lift, man.
Final ski lift of the trip.
So sad, eh? "3:15 in the morning."